Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping movement and opening the interaction menu immediately so inputs affect your character. Do this in free roam or in a vehicle where you can safely stand. Once the menu is open, choose inventory, then accessories or equipment to reveal items that grant night vision. You want to identify the specific night vision item, goggles, helmet, or mission gear, so you can target it. Make sure you are the session host or have permission in an organization, because some servers restrict gear changes. With the item visible, select it and choose Unequip or Toggle Off. This removes the effect. If you enabled night vision via a quick keybind, press that same key, Default N on PC, to turn it off. On consoles, use the assigned button from controls. For weapon-mounted thermal sights or night optics, go to the weapon wheel, select the weapon, then open the customization submenu and remove the attachment. Once removed, confirm by checking your HUD and the world lighting. You should see normal visuals return. Finish by saving any outfit or loadout changes so the night vision item does not re-equip when you respawn. Use the wardrobe or CEO/MC loadout menu to store the current setup. If the green tint or effect persists, fast travel, switch sessions, or relog, temporary visual bugs often clear on reload. If that fails, verify game files or clear cache on console. One key troubleshooting tip: if effects remain after relogging, check for active mods or third-party overlays and disable them before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.